I finished putting all my ribbons and bits and pieces in here, and this is the completed journal. So I'll just do a quick flip through, and I just noticed I just did something quite funny. I cut, see how I had two long pieces of the ribbon for tying? I cut off one of the pieces of ribbon at the back here because I had my little roll of ribbon quite close like this, and I didn't realise that I was cutting this off instead of this. But anyway, that's okay, it'll still tie, or it'll still tie together, but I might just change it out with another piece of ribbon. So it's quite a chunky journal because, as I said, it's quite a big kit, but I think it turned out really nice. So I really love this printable kit. This is the Traveller's Notebook one. So you've seen these, I've got the 3 tags in there. I just stuck down this little fuzzy cut and the little butterfly there. And this is the slant pocket. We put our tabs on there. And I've just put one of the coin envelopes there with some little cards inside. And that envelope inside my paper bags, I ended up putting just little journaling cards. A tall tag there. Another journaling card, another tab there, and then one of the other envelopes with the postcards in there. And I made a tuck spot there. This is the little paper pad, and there was a strip of paper that was a cutout, and so I used that on the top there. More ephemera. For this tag, I just put a little butterfly on there instead of putting ribbon through there. Another tab, some more ribbon on this one, and then this was the belly band part of the kit, which I just turned into a side pocket instead of using it as a belly band. So I put those in there like that. And then this tag is like a little tuck spot too, and it's holding the card closed. And these are the envelopes that we made in our Freebie Friday, or sorry, our freebie in the Facebook group, where these embellished paper clips, and we did those in the Facebook group already. The other envelope, and then sort of a double tuck spot here. Paper bag again. And more tags. Another one of the coin envelopes. And there I've clipped on some tags. And that one in the library pocket, and that's the other writing paper envelope. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and putting this journal together. So that is the Parisienne Dream Traveller's Notebook size journal. Okay, so and if you did make this journal or, you know, use this kit for something, please share in the Facebook group, or if you put up a video or an Instagram post, please tag me so that I can see what you made. And so that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.